How to fix package installer keeps stopping problem in Android. The first simple solution is to restart your device. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. So hold your power button and select restart. After that, check whether the problem can be solved or not. If still not, now you have to clear cache for package installer. So in order to do that, launch these settings, go to apps, tap on see all apps. Here tap on three dot icon from the top right corner, then tap on source system. Tap on the search icon and now search for package installer. Tap on it. Here tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After that, you have to ensure that you have allowed the permission or the necessary permissions to work for the package installer. Once you're here, tap on permissions, scroll down a bit, and make sure the permissions like storage are enabled if it is right here. Here it says no permissions denied. That means we have allowed the permission for storage for package installer. Now once you have done that, you can go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, now try to update or reinstall the application that you are installing. So download the latest version of application from a trusted source. And another thing you have to do is you have to check for your system update. Sometimes outdated system software may cause compatibility issue. So in order to check for your system update, go to the settings in your device, scroll down and then tap on system. Once you're here, now tap on software update. If you have any pending updates, simply install that. Once the installation is complete, now you have to look for your problem if that is solved or not. If not, you can disable Google Play Protect. So Play Protect might block some installation, so you can disable that. In order to do that, you have to open Play Store. Once you're here, tap on your profile from the top right corner and then now tap on Play Protect. Here tap on settings from the top right and simply disable the first option, that is scan apps with Play Protect. After you disable that, now go back and check whether the package installer is now working fine or not. If still not, now ensure that you have enough storage in your device. Sometimes low storage can interfere with installation, so you can go to your settings and then go to storage and free up space by deleting unnecessary files or application in your device. And by following all these steps or solutions, your problem will get solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.